Oh, hello, welcome to my channel. Today is a Monday. Video editing, rendering, whatever. Let me take this filter off, you don't need that. We're not outside. I need to do laundry because I just came home. So like, she needs to be unpacking here, and I've just been editing all day. Don't look at how pale I am, okay? I always take toilet paper from hotels because it's free, why wouldn't you? I'm just gonna straight up do laundry now, so I don't have to do it later. Oh, I also took a hotel towel. I took a hotel towel, leave me alone. In here, yeah, charger, little thingy. I think that's it. By the way, Bag Smart, I have a 10% off code. It's ADWL, I believe. Link is in the description, but Bag Smart, their bags are actually kind of amazing, so I highly recommend. This is the quick access bag. I'm such in love with it. This thing can fit so much stuff. Perfect. Shameless little promo. All right. I'm thinking I probably should have done that in the washer, but let's go start laundry. Okay, we got the laundry started. I got something in the mail. You guys are gonna laugh at me, but oh, I don't even need this. I got myself, cause I'm on planes a lot now, and you know, we have a really cool trip coming up this summer, and you know, Bflight, so wait, why are these actually kind of cool? I got myself eye masks, and I'm actually so excited about them because like these eye masks have like pockets for your eye sockets so that it doesn't feel like it's like pushing on your eyeballs. Wait, hang on, let me like adjust them. How do you do this? All right. Like these are so good. Oh my God, and I can't feel, how do I look? You can be honest. These are gonna come in such handy. Even like when I'm sleeping in my hotel room, like the light from my laptop's so bright. So they were like $5-7 or something for like 3 of them. And I was like, you know what? Yeah. And they're like silky. So like, you know, won't like ruin your face. And I could have used it when we went home on a red eye in Seattle, but I didn't buy them in time because I'm stupid. For more trips that are gonna come up, these eye masks are gonna be fantastic for. So I have finished editing all of the videos from this weekend, which is great because now I can take this week and focus it onto creating videos, which I need to be doing more of. I have a lot of videos that I want to do. I just haven't had the time to do it because last week I was like editing the entire Alaska trip. But this week I'm free, so I'm excited. But for now though, I want to take a break and finish watching my show. Here's Rosie, here's my kitty. She's 16 or 17 years old, and she's in a little fart. You guys are cute.
I know.
You guys are cute. She didn't even get it. Well, good morning. It is another day, a new day. It's Tuesday. My cat is going crazy after the pipe cleaners. Today, I don't really know the plan. I don't really have one. I usually have one, but I don't.
I need you like do this. God needs the devil.
Editing is intense. I just checked my Poshmark, and my SL2, my Canon SL2, my beloved camera that I've had for 7 years now, has sold at the price I've been asking for. So it is sold, and I'm gonna go take it to the post office now. like packed that up so quick because it was like 3 days ago and I didn't get notifications on my phone. But, you know, a part of me just, a part of me just like, it's sad. It's sad to sell a camera because, you know, that was yours. I've had that camera for like 8 years. But, you know, I have this camera and I also have my Sony a7C. This is the Canon M50 Mark II. And, you know, that's kind of all I really need. I just need this camera and the Sony to really get things done. But it's so sad because I didn't need 3 bodies of cameras. I did not. I'm still sad about it. But I have, you know, the G7X, I have a GoPro, I have an Insta360, I have 2 camcorders. Like, you know, I have cameras. You know, so it's not like I'm giving my backup away. I clearly have backups and backups of backups. And who knows, if I really need another body of a camera, I'll just buy another one. The money that I am getting from selling that camera, I'm putting right back into investing a new lens for this camera. So that it could be a wider lens. There is that. It all just kind of feeds back into itself. So all the money I make from YouTube, all the money I make from selling things, I put it back into the things that like I care about, or, you know, I buy plane tickets or, you know, cruises, whatever. I kind of reinvest it into myself, you know what I mean? At least that's what I try to do, especially with, you know, selling clothes or, you know, unused things. I can repurpose that money into something else. Okay, so something is telling me to go outside for a walk. So I'm gonna eat a quick like lunch snack, and then I'm gonna go outside for a little walk. I'm gonna take some photos. I'm not gonna do like a POV. I'm just gonna do photos. Just see what I get. You know, maybe I just won't force it. So what am I having for snack lunch? Carrots and hummus. I should be having protein, but I just don't feel like making anything. Yeah, I should make something for myself, but that's too much work. I'm gonna be trying this new drink here. It's lychee. And I tried it for the first time ever on the cruise. So if you watch the Alaska cruise video, I try lychee for the first time, and it's so good. I don't know how I feel about this drink. It's like bitter because it's got no added sugars. That's why. Okay. I mean, it's kind of good. I think the more I drink it, it'll be better. I mean, it's like that with alcohol too. Yeah. Okay. It's getting better. It's tinging. I'm grieving my camera death basically, so I'm gonna go use this one. Take pictures. I feel like a lot of artists and photographers and videographers get so upset about like finding their style, quote unquote. And honestly, it's not really about style, it's about what you find interesting. You capture that. You capture what draws your attention. And you photograph it in the way that you want to remember it, or you paint it in a way that you want to remember it, and then you kind of just go from there. Like, that's your style. Like, you remembering things and filming things the way you want it to be filmed and remembered, that's your style right there. Like, there you go. Boom. You found it. Someone let me cross the road when it wasn't my turn to cross the road, smiled at me and said, "Go on." I'm pretty sure they were gay. It's like a gay code. They smiled and, you know, made my day. It was nice. Strangers can do that. You got the power to do that. That's crazy, you know? It's hot. bad during the winter time, but now that everyone and their mom is out, it's gotten bad. What is in that water thing over there? What is that? Oh my god. That should be like a dead body. I honestly have no idea what that is. I'm hoping it's driftwood, but it does not look like driftwood. I think it's a duck, honestly. That's what it looks like. It looks like a duck or a goose or something. Pretty sad. It's probably because this water is so gross. I feel like it's too big to be a fish. It might be a big fish, honestly, I think. I think it's a fish. It looks like a big fish. Like, that is a big fish. I don't know. I think traveling is my main priority right now. Because, like, I don't want an office job. I don't want kids. I don't want a house. Anything like that. I just want to travel, have experiences, and wander. I'm so good at wandering. Ever since I was a kid, I was good at wandering, and I just want to get lost, you know? I just want to get lost and just be, you know? Like, if I can get paid for getting lost, I think that would be the best job I ever had, honestly. Being paid to get lost. Okay, so Haley has decided to take us to a new restaurant to try it. It's an all-vegan restaurant, and it's like a Philly cheese. We get like Philly cheesesteaks and stuff. Mm-hmm. So I guess it's like a date, right?
We're gonna count it. Yeah. I don't know when I'm coming home. We'll see.
We parked in like a random street.
We have a chicken cheesesteak and a steak cheesesteak.
The restaurant was a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. Hales?
I really liked it. I am very full. I should not have eaten the whole thing.
Yeah, I shouldn't have either. My cat and my girlfriend are having a walk down the hall. This is our little family night routine. Okay, we got Rosie on the couch, Haley on the couch, and me on the couch. It's a girls' night every night.